Aeroplane. Hello, how can I help you? I want to go on a trip. Do you have any recommendations? United States, Indonesia, Japan. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Passengers, please open the window shade. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. Our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now. We lost the ball. Get it back. We lost the ball. Get it back. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The restroom is temporarily closed. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job. Tap to equip the magical item. Shortly. I would like to go sea fishing.
This game is so cool.
There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's go somewhere else. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. Passengers, the meal service is now starting. I'm done eating. I like the food. Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly. This is a great place for a hot spring bath. Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.